Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can abandon your league in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you can quit your own league easily. I made this video is for beginner and new into this game because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24 or become EA Sport FC in all console, all platform. No more FIFA. With the new season, also new feature. Thank you. And let's get started by tapping the leagues. Tap, and you can tap this icon, the setting icon. But before that, as you can see, there are some features here. You can create your new tournament, new league, and also you can fill leaderboards. But if you can see, there are no member of my league. And if you want to abandon your league and join the other league, you can easily tap this setting icon and tap this abandon league. Quit this league by tapping this. As owner, if you leave your league, it will be disbanded, and you sure want to leave, just tap confirm and disbanded. So you can create another league, or you can join the other league. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. Enjoy the game.